Today, we are going to fix Messenger video call background not working. But first of all, please consider liking this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified if we post new video. Okay, first of all, make sure to check for the updates because most of the time it is the only reason why it happens. So make sure to update your Messenger application. For the second solution, open settings, open application, open Messenger, and simply force stop the application. Now clear cache and clear all data of Messenger application and then simply relaunch it again. For the third method, go to settings, open application, open Messenger again, and scroll down and make sure to disable permission. For picture in picture, simply enable it and your issue will be resolved. These were some methods to resolve your issues. Comment down below if you have other way and we're more than happy to read them. Thank you so much and I'm wishing you a good day. Bye!